Apprenticeship assessment planning focuses on how an apprenticeship program is contributing to the development of the knowledge, skills, and behaviours of learners. The purpose of an apprenticeship program assessment plan is to facilitate continuous program-level improvement. Program assessment plans provide organizations with a clear understanding of how the apprenticeship program is assessed. This means organizations will have a clear understanding of what is being measured and when. It also sets out who will collect the data and how the results will be used. From an Ofsted perspective, it also supports the setting out of the curriculum intent. Organizations can identify what learners are expected to know and be able to do, and why. Apprenticeship assessment plans will help organizations ensure that their learners are ready for endpoint assessment, as they will have achieved the necessary standards. Assessment plans clearly define the outcomes that learners are expected to demonstrate as a result of the program. Plans also show the alignment of course curricula to the stated program outcomes, describe how the outcomes will be assessed, and outline how results will be used. Assessment plans are used to measure if learners are developing the knowledge and skills expected as part of the standard. Assessment activities will show organizations what is working well and what needs improvement. So what exactly is an assessment plan? An assessment plan needs to list the knowledge, skills, and behavior standards. This is what learners are expected to know and be able to do by the end of the program. Organizations then need to consider the assessment strategy to determine how learners are meeting the learning and skills expectations. It is then necessary to identify how these expectations will be measured. Each outcome needs to have one or more measures. In the measure, organizations will need to state the curriculum intent, which is the what and the why. What will learners need to know or be able to do, and why? They need to identify what evidence will be used and what the target or benchmark is. Once a program has been delivered, staff will then need to review the evidence and understand what it means for the program. It also gives them the opportunity to analyze the curriculum impact. Once a plan has been reviewed, findings need to be added and improvement actions identified. Ultimately, apprenticeship assessment plans should be used to ensure that you are delivering well-planned programs that enable learners to meet the standards. Assessment plans should give staff, employers, and learners the confidence to move through the gateway to formal endpoint assessment.